In today's video, we're focusing on the software section of the MikroTik website. We'll go step by step through the main software area and its categories, so you can quickly find the tools, downloads, and resources you need and understand what each section offers. The software icon in the top menu includes 7 subcategories: downloads, changelogs, RouterOS, WinBox, mobile apps, back to home, connectivity. The most important one is downloads, because many of the other software pages contain a direct link to it. On the software page, you'll see several large icons that act as shortcuts to different MikroTik software areas. It could be a bit shorter, as the 2 mobile icons underneath are just simply shortcuts to MikroTik's phone apps. The RouterOS page explains what RouterOS is and what it can do, then points you to the downloads and the manual. It also includes online demo, licensing information, and links to documentation, forum, and support. Clicking SwitchOS takes you directly to the download area for SwitchOS. We'll cover that in detail later in this section. The mobile page takes you to MikroTik's mobile app downloads for the App Store and Google Play. It also includes a list of supported devices and setup documentation, so you can confirm compatibility and get it running properly. The connectivity section introduced MikroTik's built-in eSIM feature. The desktop section is essentially the WinBox page. It provides a download link to the latest WinBox version. The download page organizes MikroTik software to clear categories, so you can pick the right file based on device type and version. In the RouterOS download area, select the correct package based on the device architecture, release channel, and version. MikroTik also notes that you can update directly from WinBox or Webpack with links to documentation explaining upgrades method and release types. For SwitchOS, you can choose the switch model and version to download the correct package. Like RouterOS, it includes upgrade guidance. The CHR section is for the cloud-hosted router image. You select the channel and version to download the correct build. The WinBox section provides the latest versions for different operating systems. The mobile downloads page is MikroTik's App Hub, with direct store links for MikroTik Pro, MikroTik Home, MikroTik VPN Back to Home, MikroTik Beacon Manager, available on Android and iOS. The Tools section includes utilities like NetInstall for reinstalling or upgrading RouterOS, FlashFig for mass configuration, or MikroTik Map File for clear SNMP monitoring names. You'll also see the legacy tools like the Dude client and bandwidth test for basic throughput testing. The changelog shows what changed between software versions. You can find changelogs inside the individual download sections in RouterOS, CHR, WinBox, or open the dedicated changelog page to browse versions histories by product, release channels, and version. It's strongly recommended to check the respective changelog before downloading it. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you have a complete understanding of the new MikroTik website. If there's anything, we appreciate your comments and feedback. So feel free to drop your questions and comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our upcoming videos.